Small kitchen habits can make a big difference in how much money we spend every month. With a few smart changes, it's possible to reduce food waste, save cooking gas, and make groceries last longer. Let's look at 10 simple ways to save money in the kitchen. One of the easiest ways to save money is to plan meals ahead of time. When meals are planned for the week, grocery shopping becomes more focused and unnecessary purchases are avoided. Meal planning also helps reduce food waste because ingredients are used more efficiently. Cooking with a lid on the pot is a simple habit that saves both time and gas. The lid keeps heat inside the pot, allowing food to cook faster. Over time, this small change can noticeably reduce energy use in the kitchen. Proper vegetable storage can help keep food fresh for much longer. Using containers or breathable bags in the refrigerator prevents vegetables from spoiling too quickly. Fresh food that lasts longer means fewer trips to the store and less wasted money. Leftovers can easily become a completely new meal. Rice can be turned into fried rice, vegetables can become soups, and bread can be used for snacks. Using leftovers creatively is one of the smartest ways to prevent food waste. Seasonal fruits and vegetables are usually cheaper and fresher. When produce is in season, it is widely available and costs less. Choosing seasonal ingredients is a simple way to keep grocery bills lower. A pressure cooker can save both time and cooking gas. Foods like lentils, beans, and rice cook much faster under pressure compared to regular pots. Using it regularly makes cooking more efficient and economical. Before going grocery shopping, take a moment to check what is already in the fridge or pantry. Many times, ingredients we already have can be used to create meals. This prevents buying items that are not really needed. Vegetable peels and scraps don't always have to be thrown away. They can be used to make homemade vegetable broth for soups and stews. This adds flavor to meals while reducing kitchen waste. Cooking the right amount of food helps prevent leftovers that might go uneaten. Preparing just the portion needed for the meal reduces both food waste and unnecessary spending. A well-organized pantry makes it easy to see what ingredients are already available. When items are clearly arranged, it prevents buying duplicates and helps ingredients get used before they expire. Saving money in the kitchen doesn't require big changes. Simple daily habits can make a meaningful difference over time. Small steps like planning meals, storing food properly, and reducing waste can help create a more efficient and economical kitchen.